Hello loverings, welcome back again to my video. In today's video I will be making spaghetti, so join me as I make this spaghetti. So this rice you're seeing here was next day. Okay, so I made this. Okay, I made this as dinner. So we had this as dinner and step it down with banana. Yes, so it was so delicious. So the next video you're going to watch is me and my son playing game. Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my video. So what are your early morning hacks? For me, waking up as early as possible, as early as 5 a.m 5:30 a.m 6 a.m, then meditate, pray, plan your day and crush your goals. That's all. With that, I am good to go. Can I hear yours? Feel free to share your own in the comment section. So this is how my day is going right now. I'm done preparing my kids lunch. So right now I am cleaning up the house, sweeping everywhere, and my little prince has waken up, so you can see him on my back enjoying mommy's back. I'm going to see my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back again to my video. So in this video today is going to be evening vlog. Okay, so my evening work starts immediately my kids are back from school. So once they're back from school, the first huh? You want to try some lollipop?
It's a lollipop.
Immediately they're back from school, the first thing to do is to bathe them. After bathing them, we'll just wait for like 30 minutes, then we'll start homework. At times we spend more than 1 hour in doing homework. So after homework, I proceed to the kitchen to wash dishes. Can you see her? She just told me, I want to eat. I want to eat rice. It's not quite long we finish eating. It's not quite long we finish eating. That time that she said, Mommy, I want to eat rice, I've already known that she wants to sleep. Look at her. It's not up to 30 minutes that we just finish eating. See her. Mommy, I want to eat. Let me get arrange bed. Let me see this one. Very soon now, this one will sleep.
come mommy like that.